Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Do you need
Ah,
anything else?
that's all.
No.
Just napasabak tayo sa English ang
Saan
aga-aga.
yung sa akin?
Okay.
Ito yung sa
Okay.
akin.
Hindi tayo kita na. Okay, ayan. Okay, ayan. Move ka dito. Ayan, okay, guys. Hi, guys.
Again.
Dito, ulitin natin to. So, how much are you wearing right now?
Again, hat from Marshalls, $9.
Nine.
Tank top from Adidas, 12, 13. Sports bra from Sam's. I think it was 12. Shorts from Platus Closet, $5 yata.
Oh, yeah. Then
Socks,
and then yung watch.
watch, Coros Pace Pro, 350.
Sana all.
Medyas, regalo ni Nina.
Okay.
Shoes, Rebel B5, 150.
Ako naman, magkano ba to? Adidas, parang $7 or $6 from outlet. From outlet. And then watches from Garmin. Garmin, baka naman. $249. And then the bra and the shorts is set from Reebok. I think pang ano lang to. Magkano ba to? 18 set, no? 99. Or parang ganun. Or baka mas mura. And then of course, tank top. Courtesy of ano? Angela. Free lang. O, ikaw naman.
Shoes.
Shoes pala, Adidas Evo 150 and then socks. Pack of, 6, parang 11 or 12 yata, Marshall. Burlington. Ito naman si Miss Angela.
Ano ba sa akin?
Yung cap.
Yung sa asawa ko to eh.
Gift.
Hindi. Sa
Para
kanya, hiniram ko lang
borrowed.
today.
Okay.
Amazon, I don't know how much. Tapos,
Siguro mga mga 20.
Hindi naman siguro.
Ano bang, ano siya? Hindi ko rin makita eh. Okay.
Tapos Samsung Watch,
Watch.
8. I don't know how much the price.
May mga 300. Usual mga ganun
Tapos,
300. Shirt from Adidas.
On sale for $12.
$12. And then yung
Tapos,
shorts, biker.
Yes, from Walmart brand, $1.
And then shoes.
Shoes
from
Evo.
SL.
It's Evo, Evo SL.
Sale
On
na-
sale,
Sale.
for $82.
Oh, ito na. Sana all. Okay, that's all.